Do you have a wall in your home or work that needs a touch of decoration? In this video we brought inspirations of wall decoration and Claire of spending little and recycling. If you don't have pictures, but you have frames, here's a tip to reuse them using fabric or paper of your choice. Giant family gorillas or a photo of their children are also welcome. Have you ever thought about having a rug on the wall? Why not? And a small piece of decorated wood can make a difference on the bedhead wall, for example. See how interesting this combination of circles on the wall was? They can be crochet, ceramic, cement or whatever material you find easier. And what do you think of an old door serving as a giant picture frame? Macrame is also on the rise. And of course we cannot forget about the niches that, besides being versatile to accommodate some items that are always in fashion. Tables with succulents are also on the rise to give an up decoration. What about these simple cactus comics made with nails and string? Too many options, isn't it? Tell us if you have already decorated a wall in your house and how you did it, so you can inspire more people and we will get to know your artistic side. Stay tuned here on the channel, making your subscription and activating the notification bell so you don't miss any tips. If you liked this video, be sure to click the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.